Veekee James takes America.
Yes.
Yeah, take me on. I will follow her. Go back to Nigeria. The
Thank
one
you.
and only. Do you see this? Do you see this? Hi.
Oh wow.
Hi, Barbara. Hi. Take away.
First bride.
First bride. I'm so excited.
Oh, that's my bride.
Any of them.
Oh, you guys are sisters?
Yes.
Is it also like the same dress you sent this inspiration? Oh yeah, it's not gonna be the same.
Like, this is better.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That one's better.
Yeah.
So, tell me whether obviously joining Oh, that's cute.
Yay!
Okay, so Barbara, tell me how you feel in 3 words.
Like, I feel super excited.
Okay.
It's like I'm dreaming. Somebody should pinch me. Pinch me. Am I dreaming? Pinch me. Oh, baby, you wait for me.
Congratulations
Thank
already.
you so much. Thank you. Thank you for coming here.
The dress is going to be everywhere.
Oh.
Yes, I'll beg them by fire.
First bride.
Yes, first bride of 2026. Period. Thank you so much. Thank you, Veekee.
Hey VJ lovers, it's Winnie here again in another video, and as you already know, I love Veekee James so much, and I'm also here for you guys on here that also love Veekee James as much as I do. And while we watch this beauty and this mystery that Veekee James has created, I'm going to be telling you one of the few things that I love about her and one of the lessons that I learned in her business formation. All right, what I learned is that she's very accommodating. She knows how to entertain guests, and that alone will make people love her. And then she plays with her clients. She's not the type that will just frown her face and be like, yes, I am the fashion designer here. She's not the type. She plays. She makes sure that she's very free with them. She makes them feel like a queen that they are. She makes them feel like the queens that they are. She makes them feel so comfortable. And one of the things that she also does, number 2 thing, is that she always makes sure that our clients are satisfied with what she does before she will go ahead and do anything. And then apart from the God feature, like everything she does is already blessed. And just look at this setup of where she's taking her bridal tour bookings, her bridal tour consultation. See the small chops, see the drinks, see everywhere, how everywhere looks so cool and garden, like who would come into this place and would not like what they see. And then she had gifts packaged for her clients, and everything was so beautiful, was in place. She had gifts for her clients, wines and everything. No, this Veekee James business strategy needs to be studied. And then I just went ahead to give you this tip on how she made one of the bride's dresses, how she built it from scratch to finish. She takes attention, she pays attention to details. One of the things that I've learned from her that has also helped my brand over time is paying attention to details, and Veekee James does that a lot. Like, you can hardly tell that a cloth is sewn if you are not told that it is sewn. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy for everyone that has participated in this bridal tour. If you are not yet participated, this is your opportunity to go get a slot. Just go to the Veekee James Instagram, you'll get more information on it. So this will be all for this video. Till I see you in subsequent tutorials, you already know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.